welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday. Today we are going to be planning. I'm going to be having some new planners starting for April 1st, so I'm going to show you guys my new planners, and then we are going to plan in my traveler's notebook and my Clever Fox planner. It's going to be my last plan with me in those planners, and then we'll continue with my new planner. So let me show you guys my lineup. For my traveler's notebook, I'm going to be using this sticker sheet right here. This is from the Dollar Tree. I've used it before and I'm going to use it again because it's a really nice spring theme. So I have some light purple washi tape, and this sticker set is from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to plan only the remaining days of March, which is I think only like 2 or 3 days left. So we'll do that, and then in my Clever Fox planner, I'm going to go ahead and use, I think it's this one that I picked for. And again, I'm just going to be planning the remaining days of March. So then I'm going to continue in my happy planner. This will be my new planner for my YouTube and social media. I started doing the March spreads, and everything that I've been writing in my Clever Fox I've been transferring to here. So the only thing I do love about this is that there's a lot more room to write, so I can be a lot more detailed. And yes, I love this, and I'm excited to start it for April. And I did end up switching the cover. Somebody told me that I could take the back cover and move it to the front, so that's what I did. So as you'll see, the front cover is in the back now, and then the back cover is in the front because I like this color print. For that one, I think I'm going to be using this spring theme collection right here. I think this is from Walmart, this sticker book, so I'll probably be using that one. And then for my personal planner, it's going to be my plum paper planner. I love this one. I can't wait to use it. I'm very excited. So starting April 1st, I'll use this one, and I'm going to be using the plum planner or plum paper planner. I forgot what the name is. I'm going to be using the sticker kit that I got at the Chicago Planner Conference. And then for work, I'm using my paper Sunday planner. I started using it, and I'm liking it so far. I've been writing like all of my meetings, calls, and things that I have to do. So I'm going to be using this one right here from Paper Sunday. And I'm going to be using this sticker book. It is like a spring theme, and I'm going to be using this washi tape. But yes. So today you guys will only see me plan in my usual, my traveler's notebook, and in my Clever Fox planner. And then next Sunday we'll continue with my new planners. So let's go ahead and start right here. As always, I have my date covers, and I'm just going to go ahead and use these purple ones right here. I'm going to keep it an all purple theme. I love my planners, I really do. But you know, when you have new planners, it's like, it's so exciting to just use them. I really do just want to use them. So I'm going to start with my Monday here. I'm going to leave this box as my notes. So we're going to go ahead and add our date covers. And thank you guys so much for watching Friday's video, my sticker collection. I know it was a long video, but I had a lot of stickers to share with you guys, but I'm glad you guys enjoyed it. Alright, let's go ahead and put it down. We got Saturday and Sunday. I think this one's... There we go. Alright, perfect. Let's go ahead and move that. I'm going to go ahead and open up my sticker sheet. These are so pretty. These are from Dollar Tree, and I've used them before. As you can see, there's stickers missing, and I really, really like them. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one. This one says this week, and I'm actually going to use it right here, and I know it's going to be a little too long, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and cut. There we go. I can always use this little piece because it cut out nicely. I'll just put it right here on my Saturday or my Sunday. There we go. No need to waste it. Super cute. I do want to add the washi tape, but I think I'm going to add it to the sides. Just like that. Perfect. I normally go all the way, but I'm just gonna go up to here. Perfect. Okay, so then we're gonna continue laying down our stickers. I'm gonna go ahead and put a few of these headers, like to do today. Even though I'm only gonna be using like part of the days, I'm just gonna go ahead and decorate everything anyway. Perfect. And then here we have this one. So cute. Put it right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this one with the sunflower right there. Oh, this one's a little too big. I think I'm gonna layer. There we go. And we'll put this little Don't Break It banner right here. Oh. These are cute. I don't really know how to use these, but put that right there. And then I don't know if this one's gonna fit anywhere. Again, we'll do some layering. Just like that. Alright, super cute. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this blue one that says plans. And I'm just going to pop it on right here. I'm going to go ahead and cut. Just like that. Alright, and there we have that one. Just going to go ahead and have to add my dates, figure it out. I think I'm missing a date. I don't know, I've been dating everything so wrong lately. There you have it. That is my spread in my traveler's notebook. I love it. It's super simple but really cute. I love all the color combinations with the purples and the greens and the blues. It definitely gives me spring vibes, so really cute. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to this one. that's what it looks like with my washi tape and my date covers. I decided to do the orange just to kind of brighten it up a little bit so it's not all blue. And then I'm going to go ahead and use these stickers. These are from the Recollections brand, from the Backyard Table collection, I believe is when I got them. And I really, really like these sticker collection. And yeah, that's about it, you guys. Nothing here. That's where my planner ends. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.